saving it. I took my dogs out, and then my bigger dog Riley, she was picking at something, right? And it looked like it was biting back. I was like, what the heck is it? And so I went to look, and it was a baby bird. And I was like, oh my God, Riley, stop. And she was making me so mad because she kept trying to pick at it and stuff. And I brought her back inside. I got a box and I put a towel in it, and I went like straight outside. I picked up the bird and stuff, and yeah, but I think he's dead. He's not moving. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give it like a proper burial. Yeah, I'm so stressed, guys. Like I whenever I picked at it, it like opened its mouth. I was like, oh my God, it's still alive. Yeah, I went and I picked it up. I put it in the box. I'm like, no, it's not moving no more. I don't think he's alive. He's not breathing. So life is tough, man. I mean, look at him. He's so tiny. He doesn't even have feathers. Like, he just came out the egg. Yeah, but like every year it's like always some birds, right? But I've never seen like a bird come out from there. And I hear the other birds, so like the other ones are okay. I mean, I'm gonna check outside to make sure no other birds are no other babies are popping out and like dying and shit. Like, it just makes me so sad because like he didn't have the chance to live or anything. Like, I wonder how the mom feels. I think I'm gonna bury him, or a front yard, because of the backyard. Riley's gonna dig it up and then eat her. I don't know, I just feel like in respect that I should, you know, bury him. So I'm about to dig up a hole. I hope this is deep enough. Oh. He looks so lonely. I don't want no other bugs to freaking get him, so. Well, that was my day.